Imagine you are in Germany, in a bar, and you want to order 2 beers. How you gonna do that? German numbers from 0 to 20, so you can order up to 20 beers. Numbers in German is Zahlen. Zahlen. Alright, let's start. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Alright, that was it. Number 0 to 20, 1 bis 20. Rechnen. Rechnen is in English to calculate. Rechnen. We're gonna do some small calculation exercises. So we're gonna use plus, we're gonna use divided by, minus, and times. Before we start, I just want to remind you a little quick that you have to try to use it in your daily life. Actually, if you want to practice those numbers, try to use them as often as possible. For example, if you play squash, for example, and then you have to count, like when you play against somebody, count in German. If you have easy things to count, like when you go shopping, for example, as well, or whatever, things like that, when you see prices, try to say them in German as well, so you can remember easier and practice a little bit more. And this is really something you can do in your daily life. This is no problem, and it helps a lot the more you speak. Alright, let's do some small calculation exercises. First one is 1 plus 2 ist 3. 1 plus 2 ist 3. Plus is plus and ist is equals. 1 plus 2 ist 3. The next one, 9 minus 4 ist 5. 9 minus 4 ist 5. The next one is 2 mal 6 ist 12. 2 mal 6 ist 12. Mal is times. 2 times 6 is equals 12. And the last one, 8 durch 4 ist 2. 8 durch is divided by, 8 durch 4 ist 2. Alright, that was it. Almost. Now I have to tell you how to order beer, right? So we go in the bar, you go to the bartender and tell 2 Bier bitte. 2 Bier bitte. Or you can also say 20 Bier bitte if you're really thirsty. Alright, that was it. I hope you learned something today. If you did so, don't forget to subscribe below or there. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, I wish you a pleasant day or evening or morning or whatever time you have. And that's it. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss und bye bye.